Hello everyone, Frank from LDH Web Services here. Thanks for stopping by. Today we're going to go over basic product management in a WooCommerce store. So let's just jump right on into it. First thing we're going to do here is we're going to go to our store login. So we'll go ahead and log into the store. As you can see, as soon as we log in, we're taken to our dashboard. On our dashboard, you'll see we have products here. So we're going to be working on products today. So we're going to click on all products. We could click on add new, but we're just going to go into our products to start with. So here you can see all of the products currently in the store. Today we're going to start by adding a new product. So we'll click on add new. First thing we're going to do is put in our product name. Okay, over here we have product categories. So we're going to choose our product category. This one goes into honey products, so we click on that. If we didn't have the proper category here, all we would have to do is click on add new category, type in the category name that we wanted, and it would automatically create the category and associate this product with it. So we've got our category. The next thing we're going to do is put in some product tags. Product tags are used by the site. If anyone comes into your site and does a search, they'll be using the product tags. So we're going to go ahead and put in honey. Obviously, there's already one there. We put a comma after the first tag, and the next one we're going to put in basswood. And then all we have to do is add that. And as you can see, it's added these tags to the site and to the product. The next thing is product data. So this is a simple product. We have different types of products we'll go over in future videos, but today we're just working with this simple product. So that we'll be putting in a price. So we have a price of $6.50. We'll put that in. We don't deal with inventory on this store. Future videos will go over inventory and shipping and things of that nature. But for now, we're just going to leave the price here. That's all we need to do. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to put in our product description under product short description. And what that does is that puts the product description next to the image in the store. So through the magic of the computer here, we're just going to cut and paste. And there you go. There is our product short description. We're going to highlight the title. So you can see this is a regular text editor, so we can do anything we want here with that, like in any other editor. Next thing we're going to do is set a product image. We want everyone to see this product. So we click on set product image. Now we happen to have one here, but we're going to we're going to upload another version of that, because what we want to show you here is a tool that we like to use called Squoosh. And what Squoosh does is allows you to modify that image. We're going to come in here, we're going to grab an image, and we'll come down here and find basswood honey. So now you can see that there are different options here. One of the things we're going to do is we're going to set the size of the image. We'd like to have all our store images to have the same height. So if we come in here and change this to 518 pixels, it goes ahead and adjusts the width to be proportional to the height. And having that 518 just allows our store to be have a nice image, a nice view of the products. Everything is standardized. So we've gone ahead and changed the size. The next thing down here is compression of the image. So the reason we want to compress the image is to have a smaller file in our website that allows the file to load quicker. Loading quicker keeps your customers happy. It also keeps Google happy. They like efficient websites, and that's what we're trying to do here. So the compression here, the standard compression that we have in here is going to reduce this image by 57%. So that's a good thing. So we're going to save that. And once that's done, we're going to go back here. We're going to, again, we need to upload the image. So we're going to select. We're going to come over here and select the image that we just compressed, hit open, and now it will load it up to the store. The other thing you want to do here is you want to change the title. So we want to have something that makes a little more sense. None of this is seen in this particular store, but it's all good to have the proper names of the items associated with the images in the background. Our alt text here, we're going to do the same thing there. And the alt text is what loads before the picture on the website. So if you've ever had a website where the pictures take longer to load, sometimes you'll see the alt text telling you what the description of the picture is. Hopefully with the compression we've done here, this site will be loading quickly and no one will ever see this alternate text. So anyway, we have that there. We're now going to set the product image. That comes up. And we have everything we need here to publish this new product. So we'll go ahead and hit publish. And we're done. So now we'll go to our store and we're going to refresh the store. We'll click on store and we'll pick Honey Products, and there's our product. We click on the product, it takes us to the product page. You'll see the name of the product that we put in, the price, and then the description. Down on the bottom, you'll see the category that it's within and the tags that are associated with it. We go back to the store talking about the categories. You can see here in this store, you can select by category what you want to see. So if we want to see just fresh produce, we see that. If we want to see honey products, we see that. We click all, we see all products in the store. So that's it on adding a new product. Let's go back to our product maintenance here. We're going to just go back and click on all products here in the menu. That'll bring up a list of all of our products. There's a couple of things here I want to show you. The first one is these stars here. That means it's a featured product in our store. So we're going to make this basswood honey a featured product. So we're going to click on that. You can see it fills in the star. Now if we go to our store and go to the home page, we will see our featured products here. And we have 3 of them. On this store, we can have up to 6 featured products, but we only have 3 selected. Going back to the product page, there are different options here. You can trash the product. So if you're never going to sell it again and you don't want it in your website, or let's say you just added it and you're totally unhappy with how you added it, you can just trash it and start all over. You can view it, or you can duplicate it, or you can edit it. If you click on the product name, that's the same as clicking on edit. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into quick edit and show you that. So in here, you can change just the basic information. You can change the title or the product name that we put in, the tags, the category. You can change it from being published to pending review or draft, which basically takes it so that it's no longer visible on the website. We're going to leave it published. You can change the price. You can add a sales price here. So let's say we're going to put this on sale for $5.99. So all we have to do is put in the sales price and click update. So now if we go back to our store and refresh the store, you'll see this is in this week's sales items. It shows the original price, the sale price. If we go to the item, you see the same, the original price and the sales price. So let's go back to our store. Let's go back to our products. The other thing you can do here, let's say you no longer have any of these in stock, so you can actually change this to be either out of stock or on back order. We're just going to say out of stock and click on update. So now if we go back to our store and refresh it, and go to the item, it actually shows it as being out of stock or on back order, whatever you chose. And the customer can no longer add it to their store or to their cart, excuse me. Going back again, if we just click on the product name, that takes us into the same screen that we added it with. We see the all the information we used to add it. If we wanted to change that out of stock status, we can go to the inventory tab here just by clicking on inventory, and we could change that to be in stock or out of stock. So that's it for managing that. We hope that you've learned something today. Appreciate you stopping by, and be sure to stop by for our next video on managing a WooCommerce store. Again, Frank from LDH Web Services, ldhweb.com. Thank you.